students, today we go through our English textbook, My English Book 5. Our new subtopic is Action Time, which is on page number 13. First is listen carefully to the leader A and B and act. So, first we read the words on board A. Sit, stand, walk, run, turn, bend, sing, smile, laugh, speak, clap, tap, look, point, come, go. And in B section, up, down, fast, slowly, quickly, loudly, softly, left, right, around, in, out, your feet, your hands to the board at the door. Now you have to write any 5 commands, any 5 meaningful commands you can make from A and B. So I show you how to make it. First, sit down, stand up, run fast, clap your hands, tap your feet. Now you make the remaining commands. Okay, goodbye.